Development School Kutukunduan. I would like to pay my great respect to Chief Executive Officer, Chief Academic Officer, Chief Operation Officer, honorable judges on all and management teams. It is a great indeed for me to be able to present you about capital punishment should be practiced in Cambodia. Before going deep to the topic, I would like to define the word capital punishment. Capital punishment is mean that punishment by the death. Basically, the topic is about the capital punishment should be practiced in Cambodia. Should capital punishment be practiced in Cambodia? To me, I disagree with this topic because Cambodia is the democratic country. The government should have teach the Cambodian about the law that they have first. So, before they want to punish them until that, they have to make sure that the Cambodians know about the law that they have. And second, instead of punish human until death, I would like to Second, instead of punish them until death, I think the government should, if they really do it wrong, I think that they just put them in the jail until the end of their life. Better than punish them until death.
You were talking about capital punishment, and you said that you would prefer life imprisonment. If someone is put in prison for life, some people think that can cost the country a lot of money because they have to pay for the person, they need a house, food, all this sort of stuff. What are your thoughts on that?
Thank you for the question. I think it's better to put them in the jail. Yeah, of course it could cost a lot of money, but at least it's not look very cruel to punish people until death. Thank you.
Okay. So how about according to your idea, what are the best way to kill the criminal in Cambodia?
Thank you so much. By the question, I think a better way to kill the criminal in Cambodia, actually it's because of the rule in Cambodia is not very strict yet, and the people is not yet learned enough about the rules. So that's why there's a lot of criminal in Cambodia.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.